gentlemen, welcome to the main event. Let's get ready to rumble! Y'all ready for this?
Good morning, boys and girls. It's time for math. I need you to right now go and get your math book because we're doing a little bit different today, and you're going to need to have your math book with you. So I'm going to wait while you go and pick up your math book and a pencil and bring it on back on over here. I'll see you in a minute. All right, are you ready? If you do not have your math book, like I said, you need to go get it right now. We need this one right here, this one that's been dancing for you. Make sure you've got the one that says book number 2. And I will say it again like I did on the last one. If you have not already watched day 1, 2, or 3 of math, I need you to stop right now, turn this off, go back and watch those. When you have finished watching 1, 2, and 3, then come on back here and join me because this is day 4 of our math lesson. And in order to do our work today, you need to have watched those other 3 episodes. So if you have not, please stop. I'll see you in a little bit. If you have, very cool. I want you to get your book out and I want you to open it up to page number 654. Hold on, I'll let you see what it looks like right here. It should look like that. If you notice down here at the bottom, it says 654. So I'm going to give you just a minute to open up to that page in your math book where you should see this. When you've got that, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Open up your book, find it. If you need to, hit pause on the machine, and I'll try not to start without you, but if you need to, pause the machine. We'll wait for you to get back, okay? We are going to be doing this worksheet together. This is a review of all the things that we've learned in lessons 1, 2, and 3, which is why I said again, if you have not watched those, stop right now. Don't watch this one. Go back and do the other 3 first. Then come back and join us for this one, okay? I'm guessing that if you're here, you've already seen the other 3, and you're ready to get started with this one. All right, as I said, this one we're going to do a little bit different. Instead of me making up slides and showing you, we're just going to work on this together right in our book. So if you have your book open to page 654, let me get that out of the way. Right down here, page 654. You've got that ready? All right, we're going to do this together. I'm going to show you up here how to do this, and then I want you to follow along and do it with me, okay? So are we ready? Let me make my pen over here a little bit bigger so that we'll be able to see it. I'm going to get a blue one here. Now, up here at the top, it talks about how we compare and sort 2-dimensional shapes. Now remember, we learned this in the last lessons. 2D means it's flat. I can measure it across and I can measure it this way, but it does not have any thickness to it because it's flat, okay? Those are the kind of shapes we've been looking at. We've also talked about those defining and non-defining attributes. Well, today I'm going to see if you learned that and if you were listening and paying attention. We're going to be comparing and sorting shapes based on those the defining attributes. Color, the way they're turned, those are non-defining. That does not tell me what kind of a shape it is. Remember, to determine what type of shape it is, we use defining attributes. Number of sides, number of vertices, okay? Whether they are curved, straight, whether they're the same length or different lengths. That's how we define a shape, all right? So if I look up here at the top, it tells me, my directions say that I need to circle shapes that have straight edges. Now in your book, you should already see these dotted lines. They're already showing us, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to circle the ones that have straight sides. Does this have any straight sides? No, it's a circle. Remember, we talked about that last time. This one has some straight sides, so I'm going to circle that one. That's what you're going to be doing down here. Let's look over here. I'm going to circle shapes that have more than 3 vertices. This one's only got 3. Notice how it is not circled. But this one has 4 vertices. This one has 4 vertices. So you notice in the book, those have been circled. So I'm going to make sure that those are circled. Trace around those dots and circle it. Did you get those circled? Yeah? All right. I'm going to make my pen a little bit thinner because it's kind of thick right now. Let's see. Hopefully that'll be thick enough. All right. So now it's your turn. I'm going to read the directions to you. I want you to follow the directions, circle the shapes that you think are right. I'm going to give you a minute to do that, and then I am going to show you so you can check your answers to see if they're right. Have we got it? Okay, we're doing this together. Shapes that have 4 straight sides. So I want you to look down here, and if they have 4 straight sides, I want you to circle them. Do that for me right now. I'm going to wait for you. 4 straight sides. Count them. Did you get it? If I go too fast, all you need to do is hit pause on the machine, okay? I want you doing it. Don't wait for me to show you the answers, okay? That's not how we learn. I know you're smarter than that. You can do this. So don't wait for me to show you. If I go too fast, pause, finish your work, then turn it back on so you can check your answers. Have we got it? Okay, very cool. I'm going to circle all the shapes that have 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I'm going to circle that one. Did you circle that one? Nice. Let me see this one. Well, that doesn't have any straight sides. You didn't circle that, did you? Oh, I hope not. If you want, you can cross it out or you can just leave it alone. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 4 straight sides. I hope you circled that one. How about this one? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it only has 3. I didn't circle that one. Did you circle that one? Please don't circle that one. Again, if you want to put an X over it or cross it out, you can, or just leave it the way it is, okay? I'm only going to circle 4 straight sides. Let me check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's got 4 straight sides. Did you circle that one too? Yes. So how'd you do? That was pretty easy, wasn't it? See, I told you could do this. You don't need to wait for me. All right, now I want you to show me one that has 3, careful, vertices. Remember what vertices are? Those are the ones that have a corner. If they have a corner, this is my vertex right here. So look for the ones down here that have 3 vertices. Go ahead and circle those now. All right, you got it? Remember, if I'm going too fast, hit pause. But otherwise, I'm going to keep going here. Let me see. 1 vertex, 2, 3. Oh, that one's got it. Did you circle that one? 3 vertices. How about this one? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I'm going to circle that one. Very cool. Okay, let's check this one. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. 4. No, I'm not going to circle that one. That one doesn't have 3. That's got too many. Let's check this one. 1, 2, 3. Yep, circle that one. Nice. All right, how about this one? I don't see any vertices, do you? Okay, so there should have been 2 shapes that you did not circle, but these 3 you should have. Did you get it? Very good. All right, we're going along. This is going to be a quick math lesson today. Let's check this one. I want this ones that have 4 sides. Oh, but wait, the same length. Look carefully at these. Only circle the shapes that have 4 sides that are the same length. Go ahead and do that now. All right, you got it? Let me see. Well, this one has 4 sides, but these are longer than those. Don't circle that one. Let's check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Yep, they look like they're the same length to me. Did you circle that one? Very cool. How about this one? Yeah, there's no straight sides on that one. You didn't circle that, right? Okay, I know you didn't. You're too smart for that. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Yep, they look like they're all the same length to me. Did you circle that one? Yes. Wait a minute, this one's only got 3 sides. So you should have only circled 2 shapes. Got it? Very cool. All right, we got one more over here. I want to circle the ones that have 3 sides and 3 vertices. So make sure it has to have 3 sides, 3 vertices. Do that now. Still got that song in my head. Go away. All right, you got them? Let's check it. Nope, no sides, no vertices on that one. 1, 2, 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3 sides. All right, I am going to circle that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, that's got 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. No. Ooh. 1, 2, 3 vertices and 1, 2, 3 sides. Yep. You remember what that shape's called, don't you? Yeah, it's a triangle. All right. So now let's look at our question down here. How do you compare 2D shapes? We just talked about that, didn't we? Tell somebody who's around you. How do you tell the difference between 2D shapes? What are the things that you look for? Tell somebody next to you right now. Or you can tell me. I'm listening. Yes. I knew you had it. Remember, it doesn't matter how big or how small. Doesn't matter what color they are. Doesn't matter if they're turned upside down or sideways or anything else. What do we look for when we compare 2D shapes? We look for number of sides, number of vertices, and if they're the same length or different lengths. Those are the 3 things you look for. Is that what you said? Did you get it? Yes, pat yourself on the back. Say, I got this. I got this. Very cool. All right, let's turn. Well, I'm going to turn the page. Yours, it should be right next to it. Okay, here's our next page. You see that page in your book? It's got these pictures in it? Yes? Okay, here we go. Up here at the top, I want to circle the shapes. Oh, let me get my pen back here. Here we go. I'm going to go with green this time. I get to change colors. Sorry if you can't. I'm going to circle the shapes that are described here. I want you to find me all the shapes that have 0 vertices. Do that quickly. 0 vertices. Got it? And that one right there I can see already. It's got vertices. Oh, so does that one. But this one, do you see any vertices on that one? Remember, vertices are the corners. I don't see any corners, so I hope you circled that one. How about this one? Yep, it's got corners. Look at it, 3 of them. But what about this one? Nope. So you should have circled those 2 shapes. Got it? Very cool. All right, let's go quickly. How about this one? I'm looking for shapes with 4 sides. Quickly, circle all the shapes that have 4 sides on them. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Did you circle this one? Yes. Nope, no sides there. Don't circle that one. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Yep. They might be different lengths, but it has 4 sides. What about this one? 1, 2, 3. No. That one's only got 3. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. 4 sides on that one too. Sorry, my circle's a little off, but you know what I mean. Did you circle these 3 shapes? Very nice. All right, let's go down here, number 7. I want you to circle all the shapes that have straight sides. They go straight. They're not curved, they're straight. Circle all of these objects that have straight sides. Go quickly. Got it? This is easy. That's got straight sides on it, doesn't it? Oops, so is this one. Look at that. That's got straight sides. I'm going to circle that one. How about this one? Yep. Remember, we're looking at the outside of the box. Don't look at the airplane inside, although it has some straight sides too, but I'm looking at the outside. That's got straight sides. How about this? No, those are all curved. No straight sides there. Did you circle those three? Nice. All right, keep moving along. I'm looking for shapes with 0 vertices. Again, vertices. Circle all the shapes that have 0 vertices. Go. This is easy. Got it? Let me see. I don't see any vertices on that one. How about this one? Nope, no vertices on that one. And how about this one? That looks like my dog's food dish. Nope, no vertices on that one either. Wow, did you circle all of them? You better have circled all 3. Very cool. Almost there. Let's see, number 9. Circle the shapes that have 0 sides. Find the ones that have 0 straight sides. Look carefully. No straight sides. They all have to be curved. Find all the curved ones. Remember, we're looking at the outside of the shape. I see something inside here that's curved, but this one has straight sides on it, so don't circle that one. How about this one? Yeah, that one goes round and around and around and around. No straight sides on that one. How about this one? Ooh, that looks yummy. I'm getting hungry. How about you? That looks like a nice cookie. Yep. All curves around that one. What about this one? Nope. Straight sides. Do not circle that one. Wow. Hey, we are flying. We are flying. All right. Now I'm looking for shapes that are not curved. If they're not curved, that means they must be what? Straight. So find all the shapes that have straight sides on it. Be careful. There is one in here. They're trying to trick you. Look carefully. Got them? Here we go. I see straight sides here. See them? Nice. I'm going to circle that one. How about this flag? Yep, straight sides on it. I'm going to circle that one. How about this one? No, that one keeps going round and around. Those are all curved. Now, how about this one? Now, be careful. I see a straight side here, don't you? I see another straight side here. And another one here. And another one here. And another one here. And look, there's another straight side here. Another straight side here. And another straight side here. You didn't get fooled by that one, did you? It does have straight sides, so I hope you circled it. You had to look really careful at that one. But stop signs do, they have straight sides. Okay? Very careful. Whew. How we doing? You got this, don't you? All right, excellent. Now you're going to need to turn the page. We got one more here we're going to do together. Ready? On this page, it says 656 down at the bottom. Got it? I'm going to grab my pen. Sorry, these people keep bothering me. Here we go. I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to go orange this time. Sure, why not? Let me make sure it's big enough that we can see it. Okay, that'll work. Let's see. Madeline sees these objects in her school. We're not at school right now, but maybe you see objects like these at home. How many of the objects have more than 3 sides? I'm looking for the ones that have more than 3 sides, so look carefully. Got it? All right, let me see. Does that have more than 3 sides? No, it doesn't have any sides. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 4 is more than 3, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to circle that one. That one has 4 sides, so that's more than 3. How about this one? Nope, no straight sides there at all. How about this one? I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that one's got 4 sides. That's more than 3. And this last one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, those all have 4 sides on them, don't they? So how many objects did we end up putting a circle around? 3. 1, 2, 3. So right here, I want you to write the number 3. Got it? Very nice. All right, this is the last one we're going to do together. Have a look at this. It wants us to circle all of the same type of shapes. So look at these shapes. Some of them are the same. They would have the same name on them. Remember the names? We had circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, and trapezoids. Do you see which one all of those are? Not all of them, but a lot of them are the same, and then there's one that's different. I want you to circle all the ones that are the same. Did you find them? Let's see. This one has 3 sides and 3 vertices. This one has 4 sides and 4. That's not the same. This one's got 3 sides and 3 vertices. This one's got 3 sides and 3 vertices. And this one has 3 sides and 3 vertices. You know what? I think I found the ones that were the same. That one, that one, that one, and that one. Those are all the same. Did you see that? Did you find them? Excellent. All right. Now here's the tricky part. What do we call those shapes? Do you remember what they're called? I'm going to warn you. I'm going to try and write this here, but it's really hard for me to write with this thing, okay? I'm going to try. But let's see if we can spell it. I know you know what it's called. What's it called? Triangle. I knew you knew that. Now let's see if we can spell it. Ready? Let's use our sounds. T, t, I, A. A's are tricky. Oh, I got it. I'm not really good on the lines, but I'm getting there. Triang. Did you hear that? G, g. Triangle. Okay, that went a little long. But that doesn't look right. What am I missing? I had to have something to make that A say A. Do you remember what we write at the end? I knew you knew it. Bossy E. Put that bossy E on there. I'm going to see if I can erase that bottom there a little bit, because that went really long. Okay, apparently the eraser doesn't work. All right, sorry, I can't erase. Okay, now what is it about? Erased my L. Okay, there we go. How do we know those are triangles? I need you to be able to tell me, how do I know those are triangles? What do they all have? Yes. All right, let's see if we can write that. I'm going to try it with my finger this time. Ooh, 3 sides. Hey, this is working a little bit better. 3 sides and 3 vertices. Wow. This is an I right here. Don't be fooled. Let me see if I can erase that and do that a little better. Kind of got a hook on it, made it look like another R. Erase, erase, erase. Okay, it's not erasing. Sorry. Don't know why this isn't working. Silly computers. They don't always do what you want them to do. All right. So those are all triangles. They have 3 sides and 3 vertices. This was easy, wasn't it? It was. This was so easy. I want you to point to yourself, say, I am math smart. Yes, you are. These shapes are easy. I told you they would be. All right, so now here's what you need to do. I'm going to let you do these on your own. Same thing we were just doing. Take this homework out. Should we just do it together? Today was kind of a short lesson. You want to do it together? Yeah? Okay, why not? Let's just do it together. And that way, when we're done with this video, you can just go in there on the Google Classroom and just say done, because we're going to do it all together. So we know that we can compare and sort 2D shapes. Shapes that have 4 straight sides, they're not the same shape, but we can sort them because they all have 4 straight sides. These are shapes that are closed. Remember that word closed? Remember, think about that puppy dog. If I can put the puppy dog in the middle and he can't get out, it's a closed shape. They're closed and they have 3 vertices, okay? So now down here on this one, I want you to circle all the shapes that have 0 vertices. Find all the ones with 0 vertices. Got it? I'm not going to give you the answers yet. Now let's come over here and let's find the shapes that have 3 sides. Find all the ones that have 3 sides. Count them. Got it? How about shapes that have more than 2 sides? If it has more than 2 sides, I want you to circle it. Are you ready? Last one. Ooh. I want you to circle all the shapes that are closed. If it's a closed shape, circle it. If it's not closed, don't circle it. All right, did you get all these done? Let's see if you're right. 0 vertices. That would be this one and this one. Are those the only 2 you circled? These all have vertices. Don't circle those. Excellent. Shapes with 3 sides. You know what? Out of all of those, I only see one. How about you? Did you just circle one shape? Nice. If it is shapes with more than 2 sides, let's see. Well, that one's got 3. This one's got 4. This one's got 4. This one's got 4. Nope, that one's got 0. Did you circle just those 4 shapes? Nice. All right, now here was that tricky one. Find the shapes that are closed. Remember, think about my dog. Don't let my dog get out of the yard, okay? He can get out there. I would not make that fence around my yard. I would make one that looks like that. Yep, I'd make a fence that looked like that one. Uh-oh, now if I gave him that fence, he'd get away every day and I'd lose him. No good. But this one I can do. Did you circle those 3 shapes? You did? If you did, I want you to come up here at the very top and I want you can either draw a big smiley face or you can make a big star, whichever one you want. But put something on the top so that I know you got this. You got it? Excellent. All right, let's turn this page over. Let's look at the other side. We're going to go ahead and finish this. Sure, why not? Here we go. Got it? This one says, draw a circle around shapes that have more than 2 straight sides. Hey, that's almost the same as what we did on that. Oh, this is easy. Go ahead, you do that one. More than 2 straight sides. More than 2 straight sides. Got that? Now come over here. Let's do the ones that have less than 4 vertices. Less than. That means it's smaller. Less than 4 vertices. Got it? Let's go ahead and do these before we move down here. Let's see. More than 2 straight sides. 1, 2. Yeah, that one's got 4 straight sides. Did you circle that one? 1, 2, 3, 4. You circled that one. Again, sorry. Let me get rid of that. No. Doesn't have any straight sides on it. My goodness, they're being nosy today. Okay, let's try this one. 4, 4. You should have circled every one of these, but not that one. That one doesn't have any straight sides. All right, this is ones with less than 4 vertices. Less than. No, that one's got 4. That one's got 4. That one's got 4. Ooh, this one's only got 1, 2, 3. Did you circle that one? Okay, now let's see if I fooled you. Did you also circle this one? It says less than 4 vertices. Is 0 less than 4? Yes, it is. If you didn't circle that one, circle it now. It has 0 vertices. That's less than 4. I hope I didn't trick you. I knew that was a tricky one. All right, let's read down here. This is a brain builder. This one makes you think. You have to listen carefully. I'm going to describe a shape, and I want you to draw it for me right over here. Okay, you ready? Lana draws a closed shape that has 4 vertices, but not all of the sides are the same length. So now there's one of 2 different shapes you could draw in here. Show me. It's a closed shape and it has 4 vertices, but the sides are not the same length. What could you have drawn? Show me. You done? If you're done already, go ahead and write the name of your shape down here. All right, let's see. If it has 4 sides that are not the same length, I could have drawn either a rectangle or maybe, these are a little bit harder to draw, or maybe I could have even drawn a trapezoid. Which one did you pick? All right. All right, let me see if I can write this. I'm going to use my finger again because it seems to work better than my mouse. Okay, guys, this is really hard on the screen. I'm sorry. You should try it sometime. Rectangle. So I could have drawn a rectangle or kind of out of room. I'm going to write it up here. Is that okay with you? Because this is that hard word. I did it. That looks even better than the rectangle. Which one did you draw? Rectangle or trapezoid? Huh? Yeah? Okay. One more question and we are done. Here we go. Which shape, listen very carefully, which shape has one less side and one less vertex than a trapezoid? I'm going to give you a hint. We saw up here that a trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices. What is 1 less than 4? See if you can find the word that tells me what shape has only 3 sides and 3 vertices. Did you find it? All right. I told you were going to have to be able to read these words. Let's see. What does this one say? Circle. No, a circle does not have 3 sides and 3 vertices. How about a square? No, squares have 4. How about a triangle? How many sides and vertices does a triangle have? Yes. Now this one, I just colored in my circle. Did you get that? And well, let's see, let's read this last one just because we got to practice reading them anyway. Rectangle. Rectangle. There it is. Okay. How'd you do? Did you get these all right? If you got them, I want you to come up here to the top. And again, you can draw a smiley face. Or if you're feeling really careful, let me see. I wonder if I can make it's kind of tricky. Let's see. Can I make a star? Do. Wow, I did it. Can I show you a trick to making a star? Let me show you. To make a star, if I make one triangle and then I make another triangle upside down on top of it, Okay, it's kind of bad. Should have made that triangle a little bit bigger. That's kind of a star. Or you can just make a great big smiley face. Okay? Show me you did it. Excellent. All right, this next part I do want you to try and do by yourself. Mom and Dad, if you're watching, this next part is just kind of like a little mini quiz, un examen. So I want your child to try and do this part all by themselves. Don't help them. If they get stuck, that's okay. But see if they can do this page all by themselves, this one and the back side of it. It's kind of like a little mini test just to see if they have learned what we have been practicing all last week and today. Okay? So, el niño haga solo, solo. No ayúdale, no ayuda, solo. Let them do it by themselves. Okay? Boys and girls, you can do this all by yourself. I know you can. Test it, try it. Don't say you can't do it. Yes, you can. I want to hear you say it. Say, yes, I can. Tell me again, what? Yes, I can. You got it. You do that one, and I'm going to check in with you. Next time we meet, when you see your next video, we're going to check this one out and see how you did. I'll show you the answers then so you can check them and see if they're right. And that is it. This is our math for today. I hope you didn't find it too difficult. It should have been really easy for us. Make sure you come back here for our next video. We're going to continue our work with shapes, only we're going to start playing around with them a little bit more. Now that we know what they are, we're going to play around with them some more. So I will see you next time. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye-bye.